Hey all you car fanatics, I hope this video finds you having a good day today. So take the Accord into the body shop on Wednesday. Already got the rental car lined up, the appointment set. So what's the next step? What am I going to do when we get the car back? Well, this is my goal. This is what I want to work for. I want to get the negative equity paid off of this car as quickly as I can. I was upside down a little bit when I got this car. I shouldn't have got this car in the first place, but that's another story. So I want to get it paid down as quickly as I can, and the goal is, so I went from a Dodge Challenger RT to this Honda Accord, and I've always either had a muscle car or a truck, and well, quite frankly, I'm not happy with this car at all. It's like going from a Harley to a moped. So my goal is to get the negative equity paid off of this car and get a new Mustang GT. It's 100 more horsepower than what I had in my Challenger. My Challenger was 360 horsepower. A new stock GT Mustang is 460 horsepower. And there's a lot of modifications you can do to it to make it your own car. So that is my goal. That is what I want to do. When I get the Honda back, pay it off, or pay all the negative equity off to where I can get out from under it and go into a new Mustang GT. By the time I get this done, the 2020s will be out. So that is my goal. And once we get that, we're gonna have some fun. So just wanted to update you on what's going through my head. I've been thinking about it a lot. I was thinking about going with a Silverado, but I love muscle cars way too much, and that's what makes me happy to drive. That's what puts a smile on my face. A truck is nice, but if I ever need to drive a truck, my dad's got a 2500 diesel Chevrolet, so I can drive it if I want to. But for me personally, I've always loved Mustangs. I've had two or three. I've had a couple Mustangs, but both of them were V6s. So I got hooked on V8s with that Challenger. So that's what I want to do, is get a 5.0 Mustang GT. By 2020, surely all of the bugs will be out of the engines. I've heard a lot of horror stories with the engine tick that you've heard about. I'm gonna go automatic just because it's faster. I thought about a manual, but there again, hopefully that problem will be fixed too with the manual transmissions in the Mustangs, with the 3/4 shift forks going out on those. But I'm probably going to go automatic just for the simple fact that on a drag strip it's faster. So we'll be taking it to a track up in Charlotte probably when we get it. Doing some modifications. We'll take it up there stock first, run some times with it stock, and then start doing some performance upgrades to it and see if we can get into the 10s with it. Pretty confident in stock high 11s is what they're saying it'll run. It's what like Xander and Stang Mode say. They've taken it out on the track, they've raced it, so that's what my goal is. Hopefully that'll be sooner than later. like I said, I'm pretty confident the 2020s will be out by the time I get to make a move. I'm just gonna work as hard as I can, get all this negative equity paid off of this car. And now that it's had some damage to it, I may have to pay a little bit extra on it now just to make up for that part, but we'll see. We'll get this done as soon as we can, and hopefully, like I said, my goal is less than a year to be out from under this car and be in a new Mustang GT. So that's the plan. We'll see how it goes. It sounds good. Hopefully it'll go smoothly, and I will see y'all in the next video. So take care, drive safely, and we'll see you in the next one.